Got 18-year-old meter, it's not reporting right. So, got gent from the city. He's going to show us how to replace this. Don't do this yourself. Not too many bug build-up, a couple cobwebs. Are those electrician gloves?
Yes, sir. They're class 0 for.
So you can't get shocked if you touch something?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Now we got to check them every morning, make sure that there's no pinholes because it could go through a pinhole. But
Yep. Oh, that's nice. That's simple.
yeah. So right now there's no power to the house currently. I'm just gonna do a voltage check to make sure there's nothing coming on the load side,
Yep.
which is the customer side, the load side right here.
Okay.
Line side is what's being provided.
44.
And then still face to
122. 120.
Yep. Because it's
All right.
12240 setup. So just verifying that everything's the way it should be, and then now we're just gonna go ahead and stab the new meter in. Just kind of want to set it.
Oh, and those little clips. Okay.
Yeah. So that way when you got that little hinge action, and then there you go.
Nice. You can actually read this one.
Yeah. So hopefully it'll get you another 18 years.
All right. And that's the other one. You can see how it yellowed over time. This is the one reporting the solar. That one's still working. I like it. Safety first.
Kind of little thing is seal to seal. So you're sealed, and that's the seal right there. So I is the
Yeah. Yeah, it's yellow. It's been sitting in the sun, direct sun. Cool. What's on the back? Yeah, just the clips. They just pop in.
Yep.